Hi, this is Amelia. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe so we can get together every week. This week, our story is called What Sound is Morning? Written and illustrated by Grant Snyder, read by Amelia Pan. In the first morning light, all is quiet. Or is it? Listen. What sound is morning? Lights click on, a cat softly creeps. A baby babbles, wind whispers in leaves. Sprinklers hiss on summer lawns. A rooster crows to greet the dawn. The silent sun rises, the world wakes up. A man shouts after a zooming off bus. Cars and trucks grumble on their way to the city. Stomachs rumble as they pass the bakery. A note dog yawns, awake from a dream. Frogs croak and splash in the murmuring stream. A shower trickles, a mirror squeaks. A garbage truck clans down a quiet street. Breakfast sizzles, hopeful paws tap the floor. In an open field, balloons rise and roar. Today's a melody still to be written. Today's a tune no one's heard before. So greet the new day with a stretch and a yawn. Throw open the window and fill the world with your song. The end. Alright, this is the end of the story. I hope you enjoyed it just as I did. See you next week. Ciao for now.